Hi everyone, I'm HT. I'm an energy advisor here at American Home Contractors. Today we're taking a look at one of my projects. This is in Vienna, Virginia. This project has a standing seam metal roof, a 12.8 kilowatt system size that's utilizing the REC Alpha Pure RX solar panel. Those solar panels are mounted using S5 clamps, which means that there are no penetrations on this roof to mount those solar panels. The solar panel system is connected to a SPAN smart panel. That's nice because the homeowner can go into the SPAN app, see how much energy that system is producing, see how much energy their home is using per breaker, so they can see how much their AC is costing them daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. So truly this system is, an embodiment of the American Home Contractors mission statement, installing peace of mind.